In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show your company logo on Google Ads. First, open Google Ads and sign into the account that contains the campaign you want to brand. Your logo is treated as an asset in Google Ads, and adding it helps your ads look trustworthy and recognizable across search and other placements. Once you're in, select the campaign you want to work on. Choosing the right campaign matters because assets can be applied at different levels, and you'll want your logo to appear with the ads that are actually running for your goals. Inside the campaign view, look for the section labeled Assets. In some versions of the interface, you'll see it in the left-hand menu as Ads and Assets, and in others, it may appear as a tab across the top. If you see Assets, click it to open the asset workspace for that campaign. If you don't see an asset section in this view, don't worry. The layout can vary by campaign type and account. Try checking the left navigation for Ads and Assets, or switch to the account view to see if assets are managed there. Also note that some campaign types show limited asset options, and permissions can affect what you're able to edit. The key is to get to the Assets area where you can manage visual elements for the campaign. When you're in the Assets section, click the plus icon to create a new asset. This opens a list of asset types you can add to your campaign. From that list, choose Business Logo. Google Ads will guide you through selecting or adding your logo so it can be attached to your campaign. For best results, have two versions ready, a square logo, 1.1, and a landscape logo, around 401. Use high-resolution files, keep the background clean, and make sure your logo is centered with a bit of padding so it doesn't get cropped in tight placements. Avoid tiny text inside the logo, use strong contrast, and stick to your brand colors. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well, and transparent PNGs often look the cleanest. After you add your logo, give Google a little time to process and review it. Reviews are usually quick, but approval can vary. Once approved, your logo can show with eligible ads and placements that support branding. That's it. You went to Google Ads, opened your campaign, found the Assets area, clicked the plus icon, and selected Business Logo. With that done, your ads can carry your brand more consistently wherever they appear.